Welcome to the second episode of Look What the Cat Dragged In. This episode, if it's free, it's for me. I got a phone call a couple days ago about a guy cleaning up his yard, and he had two snowmobiles he wanted to get rid of. Them snowmobiles being a 1970 Skiroule 340 single cylinder and a two new for us to care 650 Indy. Look at the ski whiting kit on the Skiroule though. Mint. Also, look at how chipped this poor hood is. I've never seen a hood chip that bad before. He claimed it was in a fire and that's what caused it to chip like that, but there's no burn marks on it anywhere, so I'm thinking they put like a coat of Bondo on it when they repainted it, because clearly they repainted it because
that VIN tag.
Yeah, they painted right over the VIN number, or the VIN tag. Well, like I said, it's got a 340 single cylinder Sax. Sadly, it's locked up, so I got it soaking with some WD-40.
There's also more proof right there that they painted that. That's black.
No, I think that faded.
You think?
I think. Don't quote me on it. But I think they faded. Maybe it is overspray. I don't know.
Maybe.
Anyway, it's in pretty decent shape overall, other than the hood. But luckily enough,
Got a spare.
he gave us a spare hood with it for free. The whole load was free. He just wanted it all out of his yard. And that gives us this fine piece of engineering. I don't know what year it is, but it's a 650 Polaris Indy. It's in pretty good shape overall, with one exception.
A motor.
Yeah, somebody forgot to put the spark plug back in, so the cylinders got full of dirt and all sorts of other debris. I'll insert a photo right here of what it looked like. Yeah, it's kind of a shame because the rest of it is in pretty decent shape. I mean, look at the tail light. Look at the mud flap. Tunnel ain't all beat to. It's just a shame. I bet you that was a good sled not that long ago.
Probably somebody's favorite little rider.
Yeah, it would have been a good rider. Old greasy triple. Anyway, thanks for watching the second episode of Look What the Cat Dragged In. Sadly, it's locked up. There goes
There goes the hood.
the mirror too.
Yeah.